back with another Lego video. Hey guys, and we will be doing power function today. And my cat's in the background. Meow meow. And let's get started. First of all, there's the battery pack. Has two sides. And as you can see, 6 batteries, 3 on each side. This is my second time taking this video because my cat got up and almost ran away. She's fine. She's taking a nap now. And if you haven't seen my plow video or like snow plow video, it's not in the snow, but we're working on it, and watch that and let's get started. So first of all, as the on and off switch, the light should turn on. If it doesn't turn on, you know that one of your batteries is bad. It has this thing right here. It has Lego bricks on it, and right here connects. It's like it's just a connecting thing to the Lego one also for the sensor. I mean, not the sensors, the motors. So let's start with regular M motor. I think that stands for medium. It has attachments on the bottom to Lego pieces and attachments on the front to like whatever pieces you need. So if you want to attach it, and I don't know where my thing went, but there it is. Oh, what's the thing sorry about that. So I have a little demonstration. So I'm gonna plug that in. Just like trying to plug it in upside down. What am I doing right now? So we'll go pretty fast. This is actually the fastest motor. So if you're looking for speed, not like a motor for, if you say you want a motor for like not going fast, just easier to move, then this will not be the motor for you. And that brings us to our next motor that you should use. So our next motor is it's pretty big. It's a lot bigger compared to the small one. It's more attachments on the top and bottom as this, and in the back it doesn't have anything. But it's a good sized motor. This motor goes almost twice as slow, which it's actually the strongest motor because it goes slower. Like, I've opened it up once, like looked inside of it. There's a small gear moving a big gear, which makes it better. So that's good. Plug it in and this motor, let's plug this in. It's actually pretty strong, if you haven't seen. Like, it'll take like a little bit of force to get stopping. This motor is recommended. Wait, if I haven't mentioned it, this one's like $7.99. This motor is $9.99. Pretty good motor for $2 or $1 more. It's good. This motor is the motor you're gonna use if you're building like car, let's say, you don't want to use this motor unless you like it's the only motor you have and you don't want it to pay for another one. And this motor, like I said, about twice as slow. Yeah, maybe not twice. Yeah, probably not twice. But pretty good motor. Yeah, like I said, it'll take a lot of work to bust that. I'm going to take that out. And the next thing I want to do is the next motor. Now this motor is $13.99. It's stronger than the first one, has more attachments, and it's better than the first motor, but this is $14. It's kind of a combination between these two, more attachments and a little bit stronger, but it's around the same speed as this one. Yeah, my cat really wants to leave. Leave in a minute, kitty. But let's get hooked up. And this is not all the motors, because I'm not going over the train motors. And there's one motor, but it's like a regular motor. So I'm not going to get that one because that's like $50 motor. So, yeah, my cat left. And it's probably the same speed as the first one. Oh, and if I haven't mentioned it, like, let's say more than one attached, you could just put them on top of each other, like that. And probably the same speed. But this one, 4 attachments on this side, 4 attachments on this side. On top and bottom, or side to side, or whatever one you want. It's not going to be there. On the back, I'm surprised they put this on there, but on the back, I like that, how you could connect that like that. So that's useful. On the front, it has all 4 of those. This is a pretty strong motor. It's stronger than the first one, so I'm not going to show it because it's pretty much the same. And we're moving on. This is a completely good motor. This one is $25, but it's worth it. So, yep. And, oh yeah, and if you buy it and you're like, it's a rip-off when you get it, because, and it only goes like 90 degrees. It's a special turning motor. You're like, it's a rip-off because it only goes 90 degrees. It's not really a rip-off. Because if you don't have this RC, which I'll show you in a minute on it, it will not work. It'll just like completely fail you. So this RC can connect to this. And there's an RC remote. An RC remote, I prefer putting, they have these holes here. I prefer putting stuff that's sticking out, just so it's easier. I don't know why that looks like it's blinking on your screen, but it's not actually that blinking blue light. If you're seeing that, or yeah, I don't see that. I don't know why that's showing up. So let's do this. And you can also connect 2 of these like this. And these have channels on them. If you can't see, it's really hard to see. But that says 1, 2, 3, and 4 on it. And I have it on 1. You have to match that up with this. They're both on 1. Yep, they're both on 1. So we'll protect each other. And you can have more than one RC remote. If it matters if things are on different channels. But so then this, you want to connect this motor. So that's the one we were going to show, but it doesn't work that good. So it turns on and it straightens up. There's 2 dots, one on the turning thing and one on the actual motor part. So when you hit this, it'll go 90 degrees, and when you let go of it, it'll go back. So that's actually like the best thing I've ever seen a motor do. Forward, it'll turn 90 degrees, go back. Backwards, it'll go turn the other way 90 degrees and go back. So that's like seriously useful if you're making a RC car. Before I had this, it was like impossible to make a RC Lego car. That's why I have like no RC cars. So I just got this like a month ago. It's perfect motor. And there are 2 of these. Oh wait, and I haven't mentioned this, but this is $15, $14.99, whatever. And this is $9.99 or $10, whatever one you want to say. And so we'll attach 2 engines. Okay, and that's our video. Thanks for watching all this Lego motor stuff. And bye.